How are you, Diki?
Hmm?
Gimana, how are you?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yesterday the assignment wasn't finished yet.
Oh yeah?
I tried it before doing the last one,
Mm-hmm.
but then there are a few things that won't work. One of
Okay.
them was the points, the game,
Mm-hmm.
and the other
And
one was the circle thing.
okay, okay.
It
Okay, let's figure it together. I want to not record because in the last meeting I forgot to cut our class. So sorry. But right now I already recorded. So our agenda for today is actually we should you should present your homework, your project. But if you have some problem, no worries. Let's figure it out together. So let's start with share your screen and tell me what is the problem. Okay.
Okay, so when I
I
run, it looks
will.
normal.
Please answer the question. Okay, and then hello, I'm the annoying and annoying. I think you type annoying chatbot. Where are you talking to me? Playing game, draw a circle. Three, I don't know. Let's start with number one. Okay, and then
So this
answer
supposed to
question.
be 11,
Okay.
2, 3, 3, 11, 2, 3, 3. It just won't stop.
Yeah, because you have while score uh mm, less than 10. Less than 10. Jadi dia akan stop kalau skor kamu itu udah 10.
But but
But
how long will? I don't think it's supposed to be this long. 2,
oke.
3, 3.
Dua, dua, 11, dua, tiga, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait.
The first question is supposed to be 1. The second one is 2.
Mhm.
So
Oh,
it just
wait.
won't add up.
This is because you have a different this. This one is question, if question, and then question. Oh, okay. No, no. Wait, let me check. Score equals zero, while score more than. Skor boleh sama dengan satu, and then what happened? Uh, let's try to remove the parentheses in here. Satu, tiga, empat. It doesn't work. Mm,
Wait, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. It's supposed to be around here. It stops.
yeah. Okay, wait. Let me check. Question. What you do? Size integer input. I think it should. Why is looping again and again and again? So the while it doesn't work. Wait, let me try in. Can you send me your code?
How do I send it via group?
Yeah, no problem in a group.
The second problem is the circle. It just says error and it doesn't want to make a circle.
Okay, can you show me to try to put number two?
Okay, let me just send this first, then
Okay.
try to do the. Okay, run. Cut
Okay.
most recent call last file home Carol main pay line 21 in module circle.
Hmm. You should
At
import
first,
first.
huh?
Try to import the circle like this. The turtle from turtle import like this. In line one di atas sendiri. Coba try to ini kan question, this one and question. Nah, ini coba masukin question juga, and then this one is question juga. Disamain aja. Hmm,
Wait, can I try this first?
oke, boleh.
It just says, if you don't mind, please tell how big the circle is.
Ini circle is. Oh, okay. Actually, in this project, you cannot using the turtle because the type that I choose is just uh, console log. But if you
Uh,
want to create like combine console and the turtle, you can create in new project. Just copy this one, copy it,
Control C.
and then click in a sandbox. Okay, and then create a program, and then click Python Turtle. Okay, and then try. You can remove number one. Change to high turtle to make the turtle good. Change to high turtle.
like this.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, wait. We don't need space. We don't need space. And then add parentheses after turtle.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, like that. Oh, okay. So the website is down because you don't add input again in here. So the while is unlimited. So make the our website is down. Just exit from page. Pilih yang keluar dari halaman. Nanti masuk lagi.
Mm, uh,
Jadi kayak semacam bugging.
um,
Keluar
in.
dari halaman aja. And then try to log in again.
Mm,
Oke, nanti jangan di-run dulu.
and now,
Okay, now the first thing is remove line 1, change to high turtle, and then in the last code, in the last line, you should add what to do again. Just copy it line 6 and then paste into line 23.
C, Control V.
Ya, tapi sejajar sama elifnya.
Okay. Enter. Like this.
Yeah, like that. Okay, let's try.
Two.
Okay, that's work.
One. Enter. 11. Enter. 233. Enter. 11. Enter. 233. Enter. Wait. Is it because uh after a while I do not say what to do next?
Mm, uh, maybe before it can be like that, but actually, if this done, it can be. to this. Let's try again. Number one. So stop. Okay. Can you try again in what to do in one menu? Play a game.
Play again. Okay, one, there,
Okay, then answer the right answer.
11,
11.
2, 3, 3, 11, 2, 3, 3, 11, 2, 3, 3,
It doesn't work.
not yet, 11, 2, 3, 3. Please, finally.
Okay. Well, because the problem is we don't have action after while is done. So the while it will be repeat again and again. Okay, so
Finally, it says, please answer the question.
okay. Next, what is the menu in number three?
I was going to make it like you're talking to the robot.
Zero buck?
Yeah, the chatbot.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, yeah, you can do that. Okay, I will give you mm, wait, how many? 11, 18, 11, 15, 11, 25 sampai 11, 25.
Okay,
Oh,
wait.
so
How
you can do it
do I
like,
make it? Do I make it like erase this and then change it with Elif?
yeah, that's true. Jadi di setelah baris kedua-dua, kamu alif, but don't forget to add that question again after alif, okay? Jadi yang tadi kamu remove jangan jangan lupa ditambahin lagi nanti di akhir.
Okay.
Oke. Hmm? Kak, no.
Miss,
Yeah,
how do I make it so that different words with the same meaning will get the same,
different but same meaning.
like no, cannot, or something like that?
Can you go away now? Or you can use or. If question equal no, or question equal apa gitu.
Hmm, tunggu, the tanda petik, is it needed?
Iya, perlu.
So,
Or-nya setelah setelah tanda petik. So, after petik or, and then question again, and then equal again, and then the others sentence or the other word. Or, uh, setelah or itu call the question again first. Jadi, because the
oh,
question is variable, kamu nggak perlu petik question.
can I use or again? Miss? Miss? Okay.
Okay, you have a question again?
Can I use or again, like no, question equals no, or question equals can't, or question equals like that?
Bisa?
Ah,
That's unlimited actually. Miss tambahin sampai 11.35-an ya maksimal.
Oke, oke, oke. Question input y, and then like oops.
Kalau bagian what to do-nya harus sejajar sama Elif.
Iya, ya ini beda lagi.
Oh, oke, oke.
Hmm. like this.
That's true.
Let's run.
Okay, let's try. Agak
Let's.
di atas boleh? Drag to the up ke sini setengah gitu maybe. Tuh,
Oh,
ya biar bisa. Nah, oke.
let's try number three first because the others are tested.
Oke.
Enter. No. Okay, it's working. Miss?
Okay, is it done?
Yes.
Okay. So do you want to check number one and number two or directly presents your project?
Huh? What do you mean?
Uh, do you want to try to test your feature number one and two, or you all ready to start your presentation?
Already.
Okay, so wait, let me open the mirror first. Okay, so you can present your project. Let's start with the title. Let's start with introduction and then the title. You can add the reason why your project, the title, that's it. And then mm, let me know about the feature. Like you have feature playing game, draw a
Okay.
sequel, and I don't know. And you can demonstration like explain and practice it. Okay.
Okay, so this is the annoying chatbot. He's created to solely annoy you. His features include play game, draw a circle, and I don't know. The third one is to annoy the robot, but it's kind of weird. So let's start with number one, play game. So the robot give you a question, you answer it. Another question, you answer it. And it's the same question again. You answer it again, and it's kind of annoying because that's the premise. Let this is kind of ah. finally. And then there is, what is it again? Draw a circle. It's just there. I don't know why the robot wants to draw a circle. How big the circle would be? Let's say 45. Okay, that's a 45 circle. Now please answer the question. And this what happened if you say I don't know. Can you go away now? The robot will try to push you away to tell you to stop annoy him by at first. Can you go away now? And if you say anything else, if you say no, it will say why not. Let's say I say bored, and then it just answers, please just let me go. Now there's two things that can happen. I can say no again, or I could also say you can't go. Wait, what is it? You can't go. Yeah, you can't go. If I say no, it will just say shut down and it resets. Please answer the question. Let's do it again. Can you go away now? No. Why not? No. Please just let me go. You can't go. Why? Because mm, you're uh robot. And if we say this, it will say error and resets again. And if we say stop, it just stops. Can you hear me, miss?
Yes. Okay.
So what do you think?
Okay. Is it done?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for your presentation, DK. I will give you some feedback. The concept of the chatbot is out of the box because you wanna create annoying chatbot. Okay, because some of my students basically create like maybe like the chatbot help something or chatbot recommendation something, but you create a different, and that's really good and creative. Maybe about the feedback or mm, apa ya saran untuk yang bisa to make you can improve your project. The first one is about the feature number one. Maybe it's more like interesting if you show the score. Maybe like, oh, your answer, if question equal 11, maybe you can add like print. Oh, your answer is true. Good job. Your score is blah, blah, blah. Something like that. Or if your answer is wrong, it will be, oh, sorry, your answer is wrong. Something like that. So it make the user more engaging or interesting to answer the question.
Okay.
And then for number two, if you don't mind, please tell me how big is the circle. If size one, I'm too lazy. Okay.
Else circle
Oh,
size. Well, the size that you input.
okay. So actually, the number one, it cannot. works if you try. Let's try
Uh,
first.
okay.
Let's try.
Two. Enter.
Mhm. One.
One.
Nah, because you add Ketik, so the type of data is string, but your size is integer, so you don't need that string. Okay, let's try again.
Two. One. Enter.
Nah,
I'm too
that's it.
lazy. Please answer it
Okay,
again.
for feature number one, that's it, and then move to feature number three. So it's like question answer or chatbot like can answer randomly. Question, can you go away now? No. Or question can. And the best apa ya? Solutifnya kamu nggak hanya memberikan satu pilihan aja. So you, for example, if the user type like can or no or others gitu. Jadi kamu ngasih pilihan, and that's good. And then input why not? Please just let me go. If question no or question can, print shutdown. If you cannot go. And then why again? Because you are robot. Print error. Okay, that's interesting because the question and answer make us annoying like the title or like the theme of your chatbot. Okay, so my feedback about your chatbot like that, and good job for doing this project. I think it's second project, yeah, because this is module 2, our final in module 2, and then today we will move to module 3. Okay, so maybe you can improve it, but you can click save and then click share because you
Share
create in,
like this. Here.
yeah, share public, click public. Okay. And then copy and then send to my WhatsApp.
To your personal WhatsApp or to the group.
To the group, no problem.
Group. 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 Control V.
Mhm. Okay, nice.
Now what?
Okay. Do you have a question about this project?
No.
No? Okay, then I will share my screen, the material about our lesson for today. Oh, we have 15 minutes, no problem. So, our module 3 will learn about user-defined function. In a Scratch, maybe like, do you remember the custom block? The color is
Yes,
green.
I know, I know.
Yeah,
I rarely
something.
use it because I rarely know how it works at first, but
Okay.
now I know how it works
Okay.
after learning in like Brick Labs.
Okay, so actually this material is similar like that. So we custom our function, like the custom block, the color that pink. I forget this is the name, but I just name it like custom block because we can adjust our block and we can use it again and again.
So that exists in Python as well.
Yeah, that's true. In a Python, we call user defined function. Uh, okay, I will skip the review. So I will start with the project. Why that user defined function is important. So what kind of project that we will create is like menghitung jumlah nilai. For example, masukkan banyak nilai, and then for e in range, sebanyak nilai yang kita inputkan, and then jumlah nilai dari siswa adalah total nilai. Namun, bagaimana jika program di atas dibutuhkan di banyak program? For example, count the sum of grade. It's just not used for one times, tapi banyak gitu. Bisa di program report, program penilaian perlombaan, program and others. Intinya, this kind of project is not just using one times, tapi bisa digunakan berulang-ulang. Nah, di situ kita perlu untuk mungkin solusinya, the simple solution if we want to use this code again, we can like copy and then copy and then paste, or just
But it will
duplicate.
make it long.
Yeah, it will make it long and make
So
it,
it so we make our own code.
yeah. So if we just copy paste, it will make our code long, make our memory of or the size of our project is big, and it sometimes make the loading is slow. So the effective solution, we should have our own function. We can name like def and then the name of the function. And if we need that code again, we can call just the name of the function, and inside code in the function will be run.
Mm,
Okay. So actually function is have two type, and we already learned about the function. For example, in the first meeting we learned about print. Print actually is function, and then integer is function. Input is function. Uh, but we have two types of function. The first one is built-in function like print line, input in str and others. And then we have user-defined function that we will learn in these meetings. So user-defined function is the function that we want to create depend on our needed. Kayak sesuai kebutuhan kita aja. We can custom it.
I
Okay?
have a question.
Yeah?
Does the rules in making the name of function the same as rules making the name of variable?
Yeah. The rules of the name function is same like the name of variable. That's true. Okay, and then why we need define our function for the first one to make our code is more happy and organized, and then easy to adjust the program that we get some error or some bug, and then we can use it, or our code it will be reusable. It will be sustained because we can use it again and again, and then the program will easy to understand. Okay, so let's start. How can we use our own function? So the first step is def, harus kecil semua ya, def, and then the name of function. The rules seem like the name of the variable, and then parenthesis, after that titik dua or colon, and then enter. So all the functions should be have like four space or one tab, and then you can add all the code that you need. After that, how to call the function? Kayak kalau di Scratch kan tinggal panggil tuh blok namanya. Di sini juga it's similar, so you can just type like the name of the dev. Just type it the name. And then don't forget to add parentheses in the last. Okay. And then the second one, we have like function with parameters. Parameter is value that we send to the function. So in here, parameter is like this one, name. So if we have parameter in our function, we should call, and then we should put the value of the parameter. For example, name. So we can add the value like Budi, Anna, or Diki, or others.
Wait, I have a question.
What is your question?
Uh, what if the print is still hello, comma, name, comma, uh, si- what's this? Is this important? Wait, Let me just. Okay.
Okay.
Is this important?
Mana? Tanda serunya kah atau apa?
Ya, tanda serunya.
Oh no, it's just because I want to have seru after
Hmm.
name.
So
Itu
tanda seru
nggak
nggak harus. What
harus.
if so hello and then nama? What if we don't insert the nama like just sapa siswa?
It will be error.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So the if the uh, function
Mhm.
is made to insert some sort of variable.
Wait. Gimana? Can you repeat it? So,
Uh, so I if we were to call the code sapa siswa,
mhm,
but we don't put the name in nama like
mhm,
sapa siswa Budi, itu kan outputnya halo Budi. If we
mhm.
don't put Budi, like just empty.
Oh, it will be error. Maybe I will give you the example of the code. Wait. Hmm, kode S, where is my? Okay, so for example, we have like def and then sapa underscore siswa. If inside the parentheses have variable like this, nama, like print, hello. Walaupun di dalam hello itu nggak ada nama lagi, but if we want to call the function, it should be have a, it should we should put the value of nama kayak
Hmm.
but the answer is still hello. Tapi kalau if the subclass is empty, it will error because
So
the
even
parameter.
though we don't call the variable,
Mhm.
the apa itu the function will still be error.
Yeah, because the this one called the function is depend about the parameter of function.
Hmm.
It's called parameter and then it's called the function. If
But
our function has parameter, it's mandatory to put our value. For example, like
so if we define it without a parameter, it would be safe.
yeah, it will be safe. For example, like this. Hello.
Okay, how if we don't put a parameter in the define, and then when we call it, we put a parameter, will it go error?
Yeah, it will be go error. Like
Hmm,
something like this. Okay.
okay.
For example, like this again. Okay. We have the luas segitiga. The parameter have alas and tinggi, and then we have variable of luas to determine the area of the triangle, and then we have print luas segitiga, comma luas,
Hmm,
and then we have two input alas underscore segitiga and tinggi underscore segitiga, input, and then luas segitiga, alas, comma tinggi. What will the output of this code?
It
What is
will
the
make a triangle
triangle? No, actually it's error. Do you know why?
because there isn't petik. Wait,
In where? Petik.
wait. No, 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 no. Because it only calls alas koma tinggi, not alas segitiga koma tinggi segitiga.
That's true. Good.
Oh,
Yeah. Itu. The reason is because it should put with the value. And the value is from alas underscore segitiga and tinggi underscore segitiga.
not alas and tinggi.
Iya, jadi ini tuh not always same with this name of parameter. But you should remember that call the function, it should put the value. So the value is from alas underscore segitiga. Okay. Okay. Do you have a question again about this?
No.
No. Okay. Do you ready to practice?
Okay, yes.
Okay. You can share your screen. Boleh di submit and continue terus ke modul 3.
MP3. Buatlah fungsi periksa harta karun yang menerima parameter jumlah koin. Berarti ini bisa diisi gitu. Fungsi ini memeriksa jumlah koin dan
Buatlah fungsi bernama periksa harta karun yang menerima parameter jumlah koin. Fungsi ini memeriksa jumlah koin dan mencetak hasilnya. Jika jumlah koin lebih dari atau sama dengan 100 set harta koin ditemukan, kamu kaya raya. Jika tidak, cetak kamu perlu mengumpulkan lebih banyak koin untuk menemukan harta karun. Ya, so you have function. Functionnya itu ini. Kayak tinggal dirapiin. Because our time is up, mungkin kita kerjain exercise satu aja ya. And then we will continue in next meeting.
coin. If we were to say some like if the amount of coin is more, it would still say print kamu perlu, it would still count as else, right? Yes.
Wait, if the coba cek the assignment.
Jika jumlah koin lebih dari atau sama.
Nah, actually you can use this. Lebih dari atau sama.
Oh yes.
Jadi nggak perlu or lagi.
Baik. Like this and then koin sama dengan input. int integer. Periksa harta karun.
Okay.
Koin. Line 2. What's wrong with line 2?
Apa yang dilupa di sini? Titik
Oh
2.
iya. Maybe I need to do this later.
Mhm.
No. Line 2 is the problem. Oh.
Nice.
Line 5. So this. I didn't see that. And let's say I answered 2. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say I answer 100. 100. Okay. Let's say I answer. Okay.
How if
Tada.
you put 10? How if you put 10?
Okay. 10.
Okay. Okay, good. Submit and continue. But because our time is up, so you can continue the exercise 2 and until exercise 3 maybe. And then we will continue to next in the next lesson. Oke, jadi masih ada satu materi yang belum tersampaikan, tapi nggak apa-apa. Kita akan bahas di pertemuan berikutnya.
Okay.
Okay, so before I close the class, do you have a question, Vicky?
No.
No? Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you for always coming on time in our class, Vicky. Bahkan tadi lebih dulu ya, tapi I have another class, jadi tunggu selesai dulu. Thank you for coming and see you again in the next lesson. You did a really great job today. Bye-bye.
Bye.